Hello guys. Welcome to MEP Techniques channel. In this video, we are going to learn about basic presentation on gaskets used in piping system. Before we going to start the video, please click on bell icon to get more updates. And also, join us on other social networking platforms. Links are given in the description. Now, let's start the video. First we will know about the definition of gasket. Flange gaskets are used to create a static seal between two flanges faces, at various operating conditions, with varied pressure and temperature ratings. A gasket fills the microscopic spaces and irregularities of the flange faces, and then it forms a seal that is designed to keep liquids and gases. Now, why use gaskets? If it would be technically possible, in order to manufacture flanges perfectly flat and smooth, and perfectly compatible with one another under all operating conditions, a gasket would not be necessary. But in normal practice it is not possible, because flange connections under any circumstances should be made. Small impurities and a small bit of dirt is in practice not be avoided, and therefore it is necessary to use a gasket. And what are the types of gaskets used in piping system? Materials for gaskets can be divided into three main categories. Number 1. Non-metallic gaskets. Number 2. Semi-metallic gaskets. Number 3. Metallic gaskets. These are the non-metallic gaskets. Now let's know about non-metallic gaskets. Non-metallic gaskets are usually composite sheet materials are used with flat face and raised face flanges in low-pressure class applications. Non-metallic gaskets are manufactured from fiber, glass fiber, elastomer, Teflon, PTFE, graphite, etc. Full-face gasket types are suitable for use with flat face flanges. Flat ring gasket types are suitable for use with raised face flanges. See this image. Semi-metallic gaskets. Semi-metallic gaskets are composites of metal and non-metallic materials. The metal is intended to offer strength and resiliency, while the non-metallic portion provides conformability and sealability. Commonly used semi-metallic gaskets are spiral wound, metal jacketed, and a variety of metal-reinforced graphite gaskets. Semi-metallic are designed for almost all operating conditions and high temperature and pressure applications, and are used on raised face. See the image of metallic gaskets. Metallic gaskets are fabricated from one or a combination of metals to the desired shape and size. Often used metallic gaskets are ring-type joint gaskets, RTJ. They are always applied to special, accompanying flanges which ensure good, reliable sealing with the correct choice of profiles and material. Ring-type joint gaskets are designed to seal by initial line contact or wedging action between the mating flange and the gasket. By applying pressure on the seal interface through bolt force, the softer metal of the gasket flows into the micro-fine structure of the harder flange material, and creating a very tight and efficient seal. Now we will know about types of semi-metallic gaskets. Number 1. Spiral wound gaskets. Number 2. Cam profile gaskets. Number 3. Metal jacketed gaskets. See the images of spiral wound gaskets. The spiral wound gasket meets the most exacting conditions of both temperature and pressure in flanged joints and similar assemblies and against every known corrosive and toxic media. The spiral wound gasket depends upon the mechanical characteristics of a formed metal spiral strip, rather than the compressive virtues of more traditional gasket materials. The sealing strips, or fillers, are usually graphite, although other materials such as Teflon may be used. The windings are always stainless steel. The completed gasket is fitted into a steel ring of specific thickness. When the gasket is fitted into a flange and the bolt load is applied, flange closure is governed by the outer steel ring of the gasket. See the image of cam profile gaskets. Cam profile or grooved gaskets have proven themselves in all industrial applications. Cam profile gaskets are found in industrial power plants and in the primary circuits in nuclear installations. Cam profile gaskets are made from a solid serrated metal core faced on each side with a soft non-metallic material. The term cam profile or cam profile comes from the groove profile found on each face of the metal core, groove profile shown in figure. Cam profile gaskets consist of a metal core, generally stainless steel, with concentric grooves on either side with sealing materials. The sealing layers, depending on the service duty, can be graphite, Teflon, or metal, e.g. aluminium or silver. Cam profiles can be used without sealing layers to provide an excellent seal, but there is a risk of flange surface damage. The cam profile gasket combines the strength, blowout, and creep resistance of a metal core with a soft sealing material that conforms to the flange faces, providing a seal. Image of metal jacketed gaskets. Metal jacketed gaskets are made from a non-metallic gasket material enveloped in a metallic sheath. This inexpensive gasket arrangement is used occasionally on standard flange assemblies, valves, and pumps. Jacketed gaskets are easily fabricated in a variety of sizes and shapes and are inexpensive. Metal jacketed gaskets require smooth flange surface finishes, high bolt loads, and flange flatness in order to seal effectively. Gaskets, material and application. See the slides carefully. I hope you understand this video. Thanks for watching the video.